Hello student, good morning. Welcome to your maths class. I hope you are doing very well student. So, how are you all? I hope you are doing very well and your study also doing well. Okay, so let's start. In this video we are going to learn about chapter number 9. This is direct and inverse variation. Okay, and in this chapter here are the learning point is the ratio and proportion, variation, direct variation and the inverse variation. Okay, so the ratio of a ratio and the proportion. So ratio is the relation that one quantity bear with another quantity of the same kind of in the same unit. In the other words, the ratio of two quantity A and B of the same kind of same kind and in the same unit in the fraction A by B written as A ratio B, and the read is the number A is to B. Okay, and the ratio A ratio B, so we call A is the first term of the antecedent and the B is the second term is the consequent. Okay, and the proportion is a way of starting that two ratio are equal. For quantity there are the A, B, C, D are said to be the proportion. So if we can also write this A ratio B proportion, this sign is the proportion sign. Okay, and the C ratio D. So we can also write the A by B is equal to C by D. It means the cross multiplication AD equal to B into C. Okay, remember this student. If A ratio B and the proportion C ratio D, then A by B equal to C by D when the term is a second term is a B. Okay, when first term is A, second term B, third term C and the fourth term is D. So A and B are called the extreme of the term. Okay, and they are both the represent extreme of the proportion, while B and C are the called middle term or a means, as they are the middle of the expressions. All right, next is the variation. So the variation is if the value of the two quantity depend on each other in such a way that is change in one result in a corresponding change in the other, then the two quantity, and we said to in the variation. Look at the example. As the number of a article increase, the cost of a article also increase. As the number of workers increase, the number of days taken to finish the same work decrease. Okay, so it is clear from the above example that two quantity may be related to each other in two ways. First, both of a quantity increase or the decrease together, and the second, one quantity increase and the other decrease, and vice versa. So we can also the type of a variation, this is direct variation and the indirect variation. Okay, so direct variation, this is the two quantity are related to each other, that an increased or decrease in the first case and the increase and the second, that is two quantity. So we are said to the this is the direct variation. Okay, so we can also find this like this example. We know that the cost of an article varies directly as the number of article. Okay, and the work done varies directly as the number of men it work. Okay, and the work done varies directly as the number of work hours, and the distance covered by a car varies directly as its speed. Okay, so the indirect variation, the ratio of a one kind of like term is equal to the ratio of the second kind of a like term. Okay, so any direct variation is of the form of a y is equals to kx, where x and y are the variable and k is the constant of the variable. Okay, so look at the example, and you can see here the solution of the example. Okay, and do the exercise 9a. Find the value of the a, and x and y is the vary directly. You can see here the solution of exercise 9a. Okay, so here are the x and the y value is 32, x value 32, y value 8. Okay, here are the x value 48, 16 and the y value 4. So what is here the x value, a value, and y value is 12. So the a value is 48. Okay, because here are the 8 multiply 4 into 4, here are the also multiply into 4, so 12 into 4 is 48. Okay, so a value is 48. All right, Next, question number 2, fill in the missing number in the following table. So you can also find like this. Okay, so this first value is 2 by 24, 7 by 84, 25 upon 300, and the 120 upon 1440. All right, so you can also complete this exercise. You can see this all the solution of question till 15. You can write down this in your notebook. All right, so take care and bye bye student.